that was so bad.
Oh, she is going to be.
Let's go. I'm going to dry off, Maddie. Something burns. Ask Allison. She hasn't went in yet. Allison, come with me. Allison, I don't want to do anything. Because Allison's lazy and she's supposed to sit up here. I found a crab.
You did not find a crab.
I'm gonna watch this. Is he gonna try to get her? Yeah, watch. So
Oh, she's gonna kick the shit. She's so mad. She is so mad.
Whose shoes are these?
Those are Dylan's.
Come here.
here, let me beat your ass.
Look at him running from her. Look at him run from her. See, he'll pick on the girls, but he'll run from Allie because he knows she's. He never did get her in the water though. Did you see that?
He knocked her down.
But he never got her in the water. She'll kick his
So
ass.
he knows to like beware of her. Huh?
Uh-huh. She's vicious, I'm telling you. You didn't get her in the water.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't. You threw her down and the wave was coming up, but you did not get her in the water. Hey, there's your pigeon.
Yep, I bit her. I bit him. I bit him.
Oh, it's fair. I told you didn't get her in.
Here comes the pigeon.
It looks like a T-Rex.